Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and PC so nothing interrupts the update. Back up your data now. Smart Switch will restore settings if needed. Once done, plug the phone to the computer with a good USB cable and unlock the device so the connection is trusted. Make sure Samsung's Smart Switch is running on your computer and that the phone appears in the app. This step avoids mid-update failures and gives you a safe rollback option. You now let Smart Switch check and fetch the official Samsung firmware. When the app shows an update, click Update to download the package. This can take minutes to an hour depending on size and connection. While the update installs, your phone will reboot multiple times. Keep it plugged in and do not use the device. If prompted on screen, accept permissions and follow progress prompts. This method uses Samsung-signed files, so it preserves device integrity and avoids unsupported flashing methods. Once the installation completes, your phone finishes a final optimization boot. Check settings about phone to confirm the new Android version. If apps misbehave, make sure to update them from the Play Store and restart the device. If the phone fails to boot or is stuck, do not panic. Reconnect to Smart Switch and attempt the recovery or emergency software reinstallation option, or boot into recovery and wipe cache partition. If problems persist, contact Samsung support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.